If you like ham but aren't sure what to do with it, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple honey mustard glaze to put on a spiral sliced ham. From Thanksgiving to Christmas, you'll find ham on sale in most grocery stores. I got this one for just under $8, and it's well over 7 pounds. An American pre-cut spiral sliced ham only needs to be heated up. It's already fully cooked, so that's what we're starting out with. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and put the ham on a roasting pan or cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Juices will run off, so make sure it's not a completely flat baking sheet. Put it in the oven and set a timer for 10 minutes per pound. I tasted the glaze that came with the ham and it really wasn't too bad. Sometimes they're a little heavy on the clove or cinnamon. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of it to make my honey mustard glaze. All I did was add some honey, about a tablespoon, and then about the same amount of mustard. If your ham didn't come with a glaze packet or you don't like the taste of it, just use 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, apple juice, or orange juice. Once you mix everything together, you want a glaze that's a little on the thick and sticky side. You want it to adhere to the ham as it bakes. So once you have the flavor where you'd like it, you can thicken it up with a little brown sugar. Once the ham is heated all the way through, pour the glaze all over it. This next part would be fun for any kids who want to help out in the kitchen. Just grab a basting brush and make sure that the glaze is spread around the ham on all sides. Some of the glaze will fall down to the bottom of the pan and mix with the drippings, and that's perfectly fine. Just tip the pan a little bit and save that for later. You can reduce it to make a sauce. After 20 more minutes in the oven, your ham is ready to be served. Just put it on a platter and pull off each slice. A spiral sliced ham is generally only cut about half or 2/3 of the way down, so you may have to do some fancy cutting after the first few slices are taken off. My favorite way to enjoy ham is with some kind of cheesy potato. So here I'm serving it with some roasted Brussels sprouts and twice baked potatoes topped with cheddar cheese. This is a really great, inexpensive winter meal. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Are you a big fan of spiral sliced ham? I'd love to hear from you.